tuning in to another edition of Vacuum Minutes. I'm your host once again, Coop. Today we're going to look at a couple tank accessories you should always include in your thoughts when building a new tank system, as well as pump accessories, and that is the VacuTrucks FreshX Deodorizer kit and the Wallenstein vacuum pump flush kit. These are both accessories that can be added to any of our vacuum tank systems or vacuum pump systems. Mounted directly to the side of the tank system or the vacuum pump system is a pump flush kit. If your vacuum pump gets stuck with vane debris and foams that have sucked through the vacuum pump, the quick thing to do is to do a cleansing flush of the inside of the vacuum pump. Simply open the ball valve, count to 5 seconds, close the ball valve, and that'll take a little bit of the premix through the vacuum pump, cleaning it out so you can get back to efficient operations. The FreshX Deodorizer kit is a great add-on to any vacuum tank accessory. If you want to eliminate those nasty odors coming from the vacuum tank system while you're in operation, depending on what's around you, you simply open the ball valve and you can adjust the rate of the fluid flow, reducing the amount of fluid you go through to keep that efficient and cost effective. Give us a call at VacuTrucks Limited in Elmira, Ontario, Canada. We'll be happy to walk through the accessories available for your unit.